over at the new Mama Bird's restaurant that just opened in the Southern Highlands Plaza. Okay, so tell me, what do you specialize in?
Here it's chicken and of course our barbecue. We have amazing fried chicken, super crispy, very, very flavorful. The great thing with Southern food is I look at it as, a lot of it is recipes passed down from generation to generation, but it's always adapted by the new chef and based off what's available to them and their personal taste.
There's a lot of buzz on social media about this place.
Thank you.
I can't wait to try the food.
Absolutely.
What's the most popular menu item?
Most popular, probably our chicken, my favorites. Either the brisket, because that's just the rib brisket, the ribs, the watermelon sauce is fried for.
Like chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak is delicious.
Chicken fried steak is delicious. You want a quiet, private dining? This is an excellent mood for it right here.
Some embers left over from this morning. Our brisket's smoked anywhere between 10 and 14 hours, depending on the size of the brisket. Our ribs are in for at least 4 hours.
Right now what I'm working on is I'm working on our macaroni and cheese waffle sandwich. It gets some tomatoes on there with some pickles, and then we also throw some of our secret Mama Bird seasoning on those tomatoes to give them a nice little pop. It'll get some lettuce and some comeback sauce, and then you'll get 2 tenders and some macaroni and cheese on top of it. It's absolutely incredible. Then we have our north and south fries that go with that. They're tossing our Mama Bird seasoning with a little bit of parsley. Now these are sweet potato and crinkle cut fries, hence the north and the south. So them Yankees and them Southerners can get what they want. We got it going on here, brah.
Love this breading.
Isn't it awesome?
You can't get this in Southern Highlands anywhere except Mama Bird's.